Hello guys, welcome again to Alson Mosi Ideas TV. This is where we share business ideas and most important, we give you hope, we give you challenge, we inspire you guys, we say everything you do with hope, do with faith, no matter what kind of job you do with faith, and one day you will be okay, you will be remembered in their back and you say, okay guys, so if you are new here, please consider subscribe guys, give me thumb up guys, subscribe guys, give me thumb up guys, okay. And for my returning subscriber, thank you guys for continue supporting me, continue viewing my videos, continue viewing, learning more guys. I always say I'm not perfect, but I share what I do guys. Okay, you can see I am at my workshop right now. So today I just want to show you how to make laundry bar soap guys at home. No machine needed guys. If you can see on my previous video, if you are not yet to watch, go and watch. They are in the creation down. Go and watch those videos. It will help you. I'm not perfect guys. I just share what I do guys. Okay, so today I just want to show you how to make laundry bar soap step by step guys. So before I continue, subscribe guys, subscribe guys. Okay, subscribe. And if you for any question, just comment or comment section guys. Okay, and click notification bell. Whenever I post a new video, will be number one to all start video guys. Okay guys, so as I say, today we want to make laundry by soap. But before I go there guys, I want to show you all, I want to remember you guys thing you need to have so you can make the bar soap guys. You need those substances, and you need gloves. You can see I'm wearing gloves and a mask as well. Let me wear my mask first. Okay guys, let me wear my mask. Yeah, I have my mask. Can you see it? You must wear a mask because those Samsung is very harmful guys. Okay, so guys, we want to start with preparing our mode. I have mode, so I prepare my mode, and I have already have lye. No, people don't know what about lye. Lye is those Samsung when you mix them, but with the time I'm going to show you guys all those definition guys. Okay, so I have my lye here. You can see this stick. I hope you can see guys. Yeah, so guys, I don't know if you can see. So this is a line. Let me show you guys. I think you can see. Yeah, so this is mixer of caustic soda, sodium hydroxide inside there, and water guys. If you want to know more ratio about this, you can DM me, you can WhatsApp me on WhatsApp number. I will give you shortly in the screen guys. So this is my rye. Okay, so and I have my mode here. So we are going to fix mode. So this is my mode. I think you can see it. So let me fix it. And I have this. I think you know what this and my version there. Okay guys. So let me fix my mode first. So guys, you can see this is my mode. You can see. Okay. So after fixing my mode, guys, we are going to save the Samsung. This line, you must save it, guys. Okay. Save it well. And then be careful, guys. Okay, be careful, guys.